This video is gonna about how to implement actor critic method using Keras RL. So I'm just gonna give a simple introduction like what is actor critic method. Okay, this is a method which gonna use both value function and policy function. Okay, we're gonna create two neural networks for actor and critic, separate method. So actor is gonna decide what action should be taken, and the critic will tell based on value function the whether the what are the output action should be taken from the actor model, is it good or not, whether it should be updated or it should have a different action should be taken. Okay, so using Keras RL, check how to implement the stuff. So downgrade your TensorFlow to 1.14 and install Keras RL. Okay, so these are two steps it's needed. So Keras RL2 has been developed, but DDPG cannot be executed. So we're gonna go for Keras RL. Okay, this is a simple term. So actor is gonna take the state from the environment and gonna decide that whatever action should be given. So critic model, it will take the output from the actor as well the observation value, and it will check with the value function. It will validate the what are the output from the actor with the value function. Okay, so I'm importing the libraries. So these are the basic stuff. So this particular thing is DTP is a agent which takes the actor and critic sequential memory to store all the experiences from the training. This particular thing will induce the random process. Okay, so here we're gonna so thing is actor critic mostly is used for the continuous problems. Okay, so continuous environment. So pendulum is a continuous one, so you're going to take a pendulum as an example. I'm creating the environment in like giving the seed and taking the number of actions which can be produced from the environment. Okay, so now I'm going to create a neural network for the actor. Okay, taking the observation value from the environment and making as a flatten, I'm passing through the dense layer. Thing is, at last it should be the linear. Now the actor is done. Okay, this is small, right? Either you can try with just increase the dense layers with the number of neurons, or try with convolution layer also. Okay, but input should be the flatten. So this makes the observation from the environment which can be passed to the neural network. This is the now we're going to create the neural network for critic. Okay, first what are the output from the actor, it should be given as for the it should be a part of input for the critic plus the observation value from the environment. Okay, both thing has been passed to the flatten layer. So these will be concatenated and will be passed to the critic. Okay, so at last I'm going with the linear function. So the critic model has been created. Okay, so action input, the number of actions can be taken, and the observation input, the observation value from the environment. Okay, actor model is created, the critic is created. So we have both model for actor and critic, separate model. So sequential memory. So sequential memory is to store all the training experiences, previous training experiences into the model. So once the value has been exceeded, the new experience will override the old experience. Okay, so this particular function, it gives the random action should be taken. Okay, it's like a random function. So now I'm declaring my DDPGN. So MB is like what are the action can be taken, the actor model, the critic. So the critic action is the action input, the number of actions can be taken by passing as an input to the critic model, the memory, the warm up. So for both warm up, I mean for both critic and actor, we're going to give the warm up, then the random process. Okay, thing is DDPG agent has more other parameters. Okay, Best thing, download the original paper, read through all the parameters they have gone through, then you can play with the other parameters which are available. To check what are the other parameters available, go to Keras RL GitHub. So go into the docs, then click on the ddbg md file. Then in that file you will get all the available parameters which can be modified. Okay. Once the agent has been declared, now I am compiling the model, I am training the model. Here I am giving visualize as a false. Okay, so if you are using this in Anaconda or a different notebook, you can give the visualize true. After I'm going to save the model, it's going to be tested. Okay, so this is my actor model, the critic model. So training has been executed. So I trained the model. So far this is the output got from the model after training and testing the environment. Okay, so this is how you have to create the actor and critic model. Here I use dense layer. Try with convolutional layer. Just modify this actor method. Try to make it more complicated so the model can learn more from the environment, which can get the optimal action can be taken. Okay, so this is how we have to implement DDPG with Keras RL. Okay.